Great job, guys.
The roof is as good as new.
Once your home is repaired, you don't want anything to ruin your feeling of security and comfort. And I am sure you can't wait to get on with your busy life. Have you checked your house recently? There could be unknown mysteries lurking, waiting for the next moment to rear its ugly head. A blocked drain can lead to dangerous and costly flooding.
Hello, your local Melbourne Plumber? I just had my roof repaired, but my house is still leaking.
I will be there right away. This looks like the suspicious drain. Let's start out by putting an inspection camera inside. There it is. It's a nasty little critter.
Can this be fixed?
I will blast it out right away. The drain cleaner never lets me down.
Will this happen again?
It will not happen again. This is a report which includes our recommended maintenance plan for the insurance company.